Jasmy Coin. Jasmy is a utility token driving the Jasmy environment, a decentralized stage that empowers secure and straightforward information to the executives, stockpiling, and sharing, with Jasmy Jibber in as the administration and installment token for different administrations and applications inside the organization. In the event that you're searching for Jasmy Coin cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Jabber Jasmy will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous Jibber of Jasmy Coin Jasmy and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this Jabber and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally Jibber. Yet, we will make an honest Jabber. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Jasmy Coin is $0.0207 and Jasmy is right now positioned Jabber 63 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Jasmy Coin is Jibber 9,299,999,677 with a market cap of $1,022,536,607. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.26% in its Jabber worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market Jabber is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the Jasmy was in great papaya pattern and Jibber by 2.25%. Jasmy Coin has shown Jibber of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Look at the market capitalization of Jibber and other top cryptographic forms of money with our natural apparatus. Perceive how the complete worth of every Jibber currency's flowing stock stacks facing others, and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 Jibber forms of money to think about their market cap and envision the outcomes. We anticipate future Jasmy Coin cost expectations. Jasmy conjecture by applying profound man-made reasoning help specialized investigation on the past value information of Jibber. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Jasmy Coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Jasmy Coin market cap, Jibber volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great Jibber from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Jasmy Coin value Jibber synopsis. The cost of 1 Jibber would reach as high as $0.0389 by 2025. Jasmy Coin is presently valued at $0.207 on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Jibber in 2030 is supposed to be $0.2359. with possible fluctuation somewhere in the range of $0.2296 and $0.2657. Jasmy Coin Jasmy is estimated to arrive at a Jibber cost of $13.35 toward the finish of 2040. Our Jasmy Coin long-haul figure for 2050 proposes Jasmy possibly running somewhere in the range of $17.74 and $20.62 Jibber. Jibber value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jasmy, in 2024 the cost of Jasmy Coin is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.0222 Jabber. The Jasmy Coin value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.0255 with a typical exchanging worth of Jibber $0.0232 in USD. Jasmy Coin value Jibber 2025. The cost of 1 Jasmy Coin is Jibber to reach at any rate level of $0.339 in 2025. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.389 with the typical cost of $0.035 all through 2025. Jasmy value Jibber for 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized Jibber, in 2026 the cost of Jasmy Coin is anticipated to reach at least degree of 5 cents. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0584 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.514 papaya. Jibber Jasmy value forecast 2027. The cost of Jibber is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.0734 freedom in 2027. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.2878 with the typical cost of $0.0754 freedom all through 2027. Jasmy Coin value Jibber 2028. Jasmy Coin cost is gauged to arrive at a most Jibber conceivable degree of $0.134 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a greatest Jabber degree of $0.1257 with the typical estimate cost of $0.1064. Jibber value expectation 2029. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at least worth of Jibber $0.1524 in 2029. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.1824 with a typical Jibber cost of $0.1577 all through 2029. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 20 Jibber. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jibber, in 2030 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.2296. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a Jibber degree of $0.2657 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.2359. Jasmy coin value Jibber 2031. Jasmy coin cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced Jibber degree of $0.3276 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.4036 with a typical estimate cost of $0.3394 Jabber. Jibber Jasmy value expectation 2032. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to reach at the very least value Jabber of $0.4845. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a greatest value Jibber of $0.5729 with the typical worth of $0.498. Jasmy coin value expectation 20 Jibber 3. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at the very least Jibber of $0.7347 in 2033. The Jibber cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.8385 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.7596 all through 2033. Jasmy coin value Jibber 2040. Associations and joint Jibber with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Jasmy coin cost expectation in 2040, the base Jabber cost is $12.38 and can reach as high as $14.88 for the year 2040. It can Jibber at a normal typical cost of $13.35. Jasmy value Jibber for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the Jibber money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key Jibber for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Jibber cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $20.62. While the base value worth of a Jasmy coin can be around Jibber $0.74 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $18.77 approximately. Jibber value figure facts. What Jibber does Jasmy coin cost in 2025? The cost of Jasmy coin will increment as additional financial backers engage in the Jibber.